Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick cash condensing. I need to be quick because I really don't have any time right now, but I do need to get this money out of this house because, as you guys know, I kind of have sticky fingers and I don't want this money going flying, you know? You guys know what I mean, right? Okay, so let's start off with my long-term binder. My son, he has 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88. Okay, so these are already prop money. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So let's do a $100 bill here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88. I'm not gonna do anything with those. I'm just gonna do these, and this one's laminated and these are not, but that's okay. So there we go for that one. How's your guys' weekend so far? I have been really busy with school, honestly, but I'm getting there. I'm already over it, you guys. And a whole year of this, but gotta do what I gotta do, right? If I want to become an RN, I gotta put the time in, right? Okay, so registration has 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20. So we could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 80, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So we could do a $100 bill there, and a 5, 10, 15, 20. We could do a $20 bill here. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 20. Before I continue, I just want to show you guys, look at this. Look at how thick that is. I definitely need to condense because there's too much money in here for my liking. Car insurance is gonna get, let's see what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are all prop bills. We can put a 500 placeholder in here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 82. $200 bills there. And I want to do the laminated ones because I think it's cute. I think they're cute. So 2 laminated 100s, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. Ooh, so close, but not quite. Okay, so we're just gonna leave that there. Christmas, this one's a big one that probably should all be going to the bank because I'm going to be spending it all soon, but we have 500 already in the bank. 6, 7, we have 200 there. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. We got 200 there. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. So that's another 100 there. But I believe, yep, we can put another 500 placeholder here. So let's do that. Do I have another 500? Oh, you know what? Instead of that, I can take this one out and put a 1,000. Hello. Sorry, guys. I'm just 5, 10, 15, 20. We can put a $20 bill in here. And then it'll be 125. Look how much tinier that is. Oh my God. Wow. Tiny, tiny. Look at that. Wow. Okay, this one. It's gonna be taken all out anyways, right? So 1, 2, 300 there. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. So with this one, we can put a 500 placeholder here. 500, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. Okay. So, yeah. Okay, for investing, I don't think we can put anything in here, but 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 82. Yeah, nothing in here, but it's nice to count it, right? Home, again, I think we only have $15 in here. Yeah, so we don't really need to condense that one. Emergency fund, I don't think it has 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76. Yeah, not enough to do anything with this. Sorry if I'm rushing you guys. I really need to go, but I don't want all this money in my house. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. This is for retirement, 20, 25, 30. So this is already pretty much condensed. I need to take this to the bank, you guys, because yeah, you guys, it's not okay to have all this money in the house knowing people walk into my room unannounced, or you know, just when they want to. All right, car maintenance. Car maintenance has 100, 200, 300, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So that's 500. Do I have another 500 placeholder? I don't think I do. So it's okay. We're just going to do hundreds. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, and 5. 5, 10, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So, oh shoot, that's wrong. Wrong place. And 5. So you know what? Give me 1 second, you guys. Let me go grab a different place. Okay, you guys. So I do have these that I sell on my Etsy shop. I'm going to use these for myself because I don't want to put all these hundreds in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 105. Okay. Maybe I should put a laminated one, huh? Oh my god, you guys. I am all over the place. Let me organize myself a little. Jesus. Oh god, that's a 5,000. Look at this. Oh my god, you guys. I grabbed 5,000. I wish I had 5,000 in here. Hold on 1 second. Okay, I'm back and I got the proper ones. Guys, that is me manifesting $5,000 in my account, you guys. Oh, for sure, for sure. Okay, let me organize my life over here because I don't know what I'm doing. Apparently, I want $5,000 in one of my maintenance. I mean, one of my envelopes. It would be nice, right? Let's just leave those there. Okay, so 500, 600, and 5, right? All right. Medical doesn't have anything. Supplies doesn't have anything. Couponing, which I probably shouldn't condense this one because it goes with me anyways. So we're just gonna put a 20, so $23, okay? These don't have as much money as the other ones because these are taken out quite often. I'm not gonna do that one because I'm gonna take it out today for laundry. Momo and Demon, they have 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. So let's put another $100 bill in there. And that's for them. These are my cats, by the way. Giveaways. We have 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. No, I'm just gonna leave it. All right, buffer doesn't really have much. I don't think I could do much with this. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, maybe a 20. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Yeah, I could do a 20. Let's do a 20. Oh my god. Oh, look, my watch is telling me to stand, you guys. I should tell you guys something. All right, and rent doesn't have anything. All right, now the one that really needs condensing is my 2K challenge, which, look at this. Look at this, you guys. I love it, but it's gotta go. Okay, so 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. So let's put this to the side and put a 1K slip in here. 1, 2, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400. Let's do a 100 slip in here. Oh, that's a real 100. Let's put this one. 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40, 41. So 20. Let's do a 10 for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we could put this 10 back and add a 20 and a 1. Look how much skinnier this is, I guess. Condensed. Look at this. Yeah, okay. So 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 41. So 14, 41. And that is all for everything I'm condensing today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any other questions, suggestions, did I mess up, corrections, anything, let me know down below. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye. Sorry guys, I'm back really quick. We didn't even count what we have. So let's count it. Oh my God, you guys, look at this. This is a lot. That's going back to the bank. Okay, so 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600. Oh my God, 600 right here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 700. 20, 40, 60, 80, 800. 20, 40, 60, 80, 900. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300? Was that 300? Oh my God, you guys. Oh, 340, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 400. Okay, that's 400. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 75, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, $1,500 exactly, you guys. Wow. All right, we're gonna take $1,500 back to the bank. And oh man, I'm so glad to get this money out of here because I didn't even know I had that much in my house. But if you guys watched my other video, I do have people walking into my room and I'm scared to be having this cash around. So I'm so happy I'm able to take this to the bank. All right, you guys, thank you.